Hello and welcome to your Portuguese. If you have studied Portuguese, it is normal that sometimes you will have doubts about how you can say something in this language. For solving that, you may ask it someone who speaks Portuguese or a native Portuguese speaker. But do you know how to do it? In English, when you need to ask how something is said, you say, "How can I say in English?" In Portuguese, it is alike, and it is like this. Como se diz em português? Como se diz em português? See the example. Como se diz tree em português? Como se diz tree em português? Em português, tree se diz árvore. Em português, tree se diz árvore. Isn't it easy? So next time you need to ask how you can say something in Portuguese, you already know how to do it. Good luck!
If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.